Hello everyone, welcome to Nidhi's Simple Cooking. Today I am going to make a curry leaf pepper chicken. Let's start cooking. Add oil in a pan. Add fennel seeds. Add onions. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Green chilies. Add chicken. Mix it up little bit. Salt. Small tablespoon of turmeric. Cover the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes in a very slow flame. After 10 minutes of cooking, add coriander powder, cumin powder. While the chicken is cooking, in another pan, add some oil, not too much. We'll fry the curry leaves. Now add the curry leaves. Mix it well. Cover the lid and let it cook for another 10 minutes. The chicken is cooked well. It took total 25 minutes. Finish it off with crushed pepper. Switch off the flame and thank you for watching.